Hi JoJo, it's Mimi and I'm gonna read you another story. Today we've got Clifford. Do you know Clifford, the big red dog? I love Clifford. All right. I'm Emily Elizabeth and I have a dog. Try to overlook the drawing on the pages. My dog is a big red dog. Other kids I know have dogs too. Some are big dogs. Not as big as Clifford. And some are red dogs. Oh, red. But I have the biggest, reddest dog on our street. He is pretty big. This is my dog, Clifford. We have fun together. We play games. I throw a stick and he brings it back to me. He makes mistakes sometimes. Uh-oh. We play hide and seek. I'm a good hide and seek player. Look, can you see her hide in there? He runs after cars. He catches some of them. Oh my goodness. He has the whole car in his mouth. He runs after cats too. We don't go to the zoo anymore. Uh-oh. Did you see that? The lion's scared of the big dog. He digs up flowers. Oh no. Clifford loves to chew shoes. He's got a shoe in his mouth. If that was mine, I'd be mad. It's not easy to keep Clifford. He eats and drinks a lot. His house was a problem too. Look at his doghouse is way bigger than her house. Look at that. But he's a very good watchdog. The bad boys don't come around anymore. Clifford scared him off, didn't he? One day I gave Clifford a bath in the swimming pool. And I combed his hair and took him to the dog show. Aw, she made him all pretty. I'd like to say Clifford won first place, but he didn't. I don't care. You can keep all your small dogs. You can keep all your black, white, brown, and spotted dogs. I keep Clifford. Wouldn't you? That's the end. I hope you enjoyed this story. I love Clifford. I love you, JoJo. Bye-bye. Mwah.